In this video, we're going to learn how to hide or show tracks, which means controlling whether a track is visible or audible while keeping it safely on the timeline. Let's start with video tracks. On the left side of the timeline, look at the video tracks labeled V1, V2, V3, VC, and so on. Next to each video track, you'll see an eye icon. Clicking this eye icon turns the video track off. When the eye is off, that track becomes hidden and will not appear in the program monitor. Click the eye icon again to show the track and make it visible. Now let's look at audio tracks. For audio tracks, you don't hide them visually, but you control whether you can hear them. Next to each audio track, you'll see an M button, which stands for mute. Clicking the M button mutes the entire audio track, so you won't hear it during playback. You click it again to unmute and hear the track. You can hide or mute a single track, multiple tracks at the same time. This does not delete or remove anything from your timeline. It only controls what you see and hear while editing, and that's it. You now know how to hide and show video tracks and mute or unmute audio tracks in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.